So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can build a digital modern banking website using WordPress. You hear that right? Using WordPress. So this is the latest banking project, and you can actually build this using WordPress. And we're also going to integrate it using a PHP script, which is also a banking script, just for some other dependable functionality, but it's going to be majorly anchored using WordPress in developing our front end, and it will be attaching some PHP MySQL script so as to hold our banking functionality to the WordPress to make our banking website completely done. So as you can see, we are in our WordPress dashboard right here. We logged in. So what we're going to do right here now is we're going to log out so we can see our banking site just the way it is. So currently now we logged out, so let's go back to our site. So voila, this is our site and it's up and running. So you can actually develop this by staying tuned and watching this video to the end, so you don't have to skip any part, because every part is exceptionally important in terms when you want to set up yours. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button, and if you need access to the resources, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's going to be on this video description and also on my channel profile, so either of which you can get these resources once you're interested in having it. So it's the latest banking project that is available right now, and for those that are novice to coding, you don't want to code anything, this is absolutely no coding project. Everything has been developed by me and my development team, so everything is done. It's just for you to have it configured on your newly hosted plan, which is getting your domain and your hosting. So let's see what we have on this project. So this is a home page right here. So you can see discover the word of bank. So there should be L right there, word of banking. So you can see the beautifully designed. So there's still some watermark right here. I haven't changed any of this right now because those will be changed on the portfolio. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do every and all of that. So a price plus, so you can have savings accounts, so you can create an account, current account, pension account, fixed deposit, and much more. So as you can see, this is so slick, and this is also so awesome. This is so awesome. You can see how beautifully designed it is, and this is okay, I haven't changed the footer logo. All right, so the theme, the plugins, the scripts, everything is available for you to get. So just get in touch with me and you're gonna get all of that real quick. So that's for our homepage. So let's go to the about us page right here. So under the about us page, we have the about us, we have the services, we have the project also. So let's see the about us. So this is the about us. So some of those images haven't been changed yet, but I only changed the home page. It's gonna take a lot of time. I just want to block this and have you jump into it real quick, as it's ready and very hot for you to start using. So let's go to service page right here, because I'm still going to show you guys how you're going to change all of this. So if I've changed it and I'm still going to change it, it's going to take me a lot of time. I just want to block this for you guys to see, and we are doing real awesome. We're doing real awesome right here. So we also have tons of templates that you can use for your front end. I'm going to show you guys tons of templates that you can use. You can choose from anyone that suits what you want. So we still have the project page. So there are a lot of pages on this project. This project is so slick, so awesome. Hope I've not run out of data. we are having network issue. So we're having a little of network issue. So we're gonna rectify it real quick and we'll get back right to the project. Seems I'm gonna go with alright, so let's use a 5G network. Okay, so this is the project session. So you can see all of the project they've done. So you can see building we can change this to building of infrastructure, scholarship, and development program, orientation program, digital marketing. So we can change all of those portfolio to all of those that we have. So we have the blog right here. So let's see what we have for the blog. So all of this package is going to come with, once you purchase in the project, all of this package is going to follow up along so that you get it right as it is. So let's go to the contact us. So for the contact us, as you can see, so it has a live map. So financial district in Boston. Okay, you can have your address and your phone number. You can also have an embedded Google map right here. You can see Boston University because this project is for educational purpose only. So the university students, college students, you need a project, you can actually contact me and you get this project and you get right on it. So let's see on the account. On the account we have the login, we also have the create. So let's see on the login. So we ought to put in our code. So I guess we don't have an account right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an account that we're gonna use. So there's no account right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go onto this button right here, which is enroll for online banking. Okay, so let's accept. So next what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create an account. So in creating an account, let's just create a demo. Jira Prosper. Okay, so you can choose any country of your choice. Okay, I can choose to say okay because I've traveled out most time. I can say United States of America, I won't be there because that's where I've been sometimes. Alright, so let's say I prefer California. So let me say Compton. So Compton is in the house. So let's leave so date of birth. So let's choose a date of birth. Let me see 1997. So that phone number. So my email address. I can just put pings. Okay, pings debit. So I'm self-employed. Let me say self-employed. So salary range within $5,000 to $10,000. So SSN, simple security number. Okay, so you can just put any number of your choice. So account type, I want a savings account. So you can choose any account. So if you need a banking project for a checking account, this is available for checking account. You need project for savings, project for fixed deposit, current account, cryptocurrency account, business account, non-resident account, corporate business account, investment account. So any kind of project you want, all of these wishes, you can actually have that. So let me say I'm going for the savings account. So I'm going for the United States dollars, if I may say. So let me say two-factor authentication pin. Let me say input the 1 2 3 4. Then my password, I'm going to enter any password I know. So we are asked to choose any image of our choice. So let me just choose this guy right here. Okay, this image is tall. What we need is a bit flatter image. Yes, let me use that. So congratulations, your account is registered. Approving me is going to be to that email address. Okay, so we've created an account successfully. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we want to get into that mail. So let's save this. We want to get into that mail. So let me check. Okay, this is the mail right here. So we need to get into the mail and see the mail that was sent to us. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to log into the admin. So you can see the mail just came in, which is they said, so show images. So you say, hi Jared, West Prosper, this is your account number, savings account. So as you can see, all of this, and this is my account number, and my password is going to be my password. So I'm going to copy that, which is my account number, so I can go ahead and verify my account. So you can see account registration completed. So you can contact this or that. So I can go back home. So you can see this project is so slick, so awesome, so smooth. Like, I'm going to show you guys how you're going to develop this project. I'm going to say that this project is so easy to set up, and you need no knowledge about coding, because I am a team has already done all of the aspects you need about coding. What you just want to do right now is just to get a project and set it up, and I'm going to give you guys support. If you need support on how you're going to set it up, a guide on purchasing your hosting and your domain and setting up, I'm going to give all of those when you purchase the project. If you need extra, that's if the video on this tutorial is not enough for you, I can also give you external support only when you purchase the project from me, which is Prosper, right? Yeah. So next I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log into my admin. I want to go into my admin. So to log into my admin, I'll go ahead and do admin/login. So I'm just going to enter my admin. So I'm logged in successfully into my admin end. So I want to verify the account, because you can't just create an account and start using it. First, the admin is supposed to what? To verify your account, go through your account and ensure that you're not a robot. Okay, so the email is verified, as you can see right there. Then next I'm going to do right now is I want to approve this guy's account. So I'm going to click on approve account. So user has been activated. User has been activated. So this suspend account, block fund transfer, send mail, fund one of the tab. So let's say 270548. I guess I copied the account number that time. So the password is the password you created. So you're gonna enter the password. So you can also view password, as you can see. It asks for view password. It also asks for language selector. So you can see everything is so awesome, so slick, correct. There's nothing remaining in this project. This project has everything you really need. So it also has a notification. You can send a broadcast notification to all users, and it also has a greeting: good morning Jared, Prosper West. So according to my time right now is 3:36 a.m. So it's in the morning, and it actually greeted me. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, an online banking website using WordPress and a PHP banking script. Yes, you hear that right. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to use WordPress as our front end, and we're going to use the PHP script as our back end. So as has been told, we're going to be dropping a lot of fantastic projects on this channel, so ensure you hit the subscribe button so you get notified when any fantastic project drops in. You'll be notified to get that fantastic updates and information. So at the same time, like and share. And if you need access to the resources that we'll be using for this tutorial, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number that's going to be on the video description, and it's also on my channel description. So once you contact me, I'll reach out to you and you can get the project so quick. Alright, so we're going to be using a subdomain for this video. So for you that you are just doing it for the first time, your main domain is going to be there, so you don't need to put it in any directory, just leave directory blank. So you come right here and you edit this one. So I'm going to call this, let me say Pingstech 7 bank project. Let me just say bank website. So this is how you get started. Then the description, you can just put in description of your choice. For me, let me see, okay, also banking project. Okay, that's nice. So your admin username, you can change yours, and the password also you can change yours. So where the installation info is going to be sent to, so you put the mail there, then you start installing your WordPress. So what we're doing right now, we're installing WordPress. So this project is absolutely zero coding, so if you do not have any coding experience, this project is awesomely for you. When we're going to be doing much of coding, but there will be some instances where we'll be doing some PHP edit. So all those ones I'm going to show you, they are not very hard. Everything is already developed by me and my development team. So the only thing you just got to do is to configure it to your newly hosted domain. Are you getting it? So you guys to purchase a hosting and a domain to have your site on live, and I will highly recommend you following my affiliate link to get the hosting and domain that will suit you for your project. Are you getting it? Yes, the reason why you guys to use my affiliate link is because I get commissioned of your purchase, and you also is gonna get a discount. So it's a win-win process. We don't just have to deposit everything to them, we have to take some back from them, you understand? So at least that is where you show support to this channel, and to me most especially, that is doing the video and all of the classes. So you support me that way, and with your subscription and everything that you know at your power can reach. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to log into our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, that means our SSL is still loading. Our SSL is still loading. So our SSL is still loading. So what we're going to do is we just have to wait. So I'm going to cut this video, I'm going to pause it right here. And okay, if you have such error like this, let me just show you guys how you can actually solve such kind of error. You can just head back to your control panel right here, and on your search you just type on SSL, then you come to SSL status, then you click on check all domain and run auto SSL. Okay, you check for domain and run auto SSL. So it's gonna first install SSL to every other subdomain just created. But if you are okay, currently now our SSL has been installed, so let's head back to um WordPress right here, and let's click on login. So let's see if our SSL has been installed. So it didn't actually take time. I shouldn't have paused the video. I shouldn't had, but I actually did it just 1 minute and it was installed. So that's how you first install your SSL into your site if it's taking time. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna upload a theme and required plugins. So you head on to the themes right here, click on add new theme, upload theme, you choose theme. So I'll give you guys access to these resources. Are you getting it? I'll give you access to these resources. What you just gotta do is you just have to contact me and you're good to go. So my contact number will be on the video description, and it's also on my profile, on my channel profile. You're gonna see right there. So I'm actually looking for it. I guess I was too. So this is right here, and you click on install. So at this point our theme is being installing. So go ahead and we're gonna click on the activate. So our theme is being activated. So what we're gonna do right here is come right here to the install plugins, then you're gonna click on plugins, then you take this, 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 you take this. You can just take this, you can take WooCommerce to right here. Sometimes some dependency wants WooCommerce, I don't know, just kind of have that. Master slider, okay, okay, WPSMS, okay, revolution slider, layer slider, auto installer. Okay, let's stop at this auto installer and let us install these ones with check. Sometimes if there are too many, you might run some error. So you take as many as you install, then go ahead and continue after installation. It's still the same process, just some seconds difference in duration. So our plugins are installing. Our plugins are installing, so we just gotta, I don't know if I'll fast forward this side or you just watch it. So any which, according to how the video duration takes, I just want to make it brief and real quick. Okay, okay, installed. So we're gonna hit return to plugin installer, then we stop that auto. So we can just, okay, we need Instagram feed and search engine optimization, contact form right here, WordPress importer, post for WordPress you like, okay, custom Facebook feed, okay, image optimizer, okay, import and export option, okay, um this, okay, custom sidebar, okay, simple certain thing, install, apply. So you can see it's really fast. We don't have to waste any time. Alright, so they are being installed. So we're gonna come right here now. Okay, just click on go back, and I will click to activate. You see right there. Then I just check all. I check all. I click on activate and activate. Apply. Okay, our browser is not loading, so we don't know if it's done. Maybe the display screen. So just go ahead and hit this one too. Alright, so ready. So let's come to theme importer. So let's check on, let's go with this. So you can just preview any template you want. You can preview any template you want, right? So there are tons of templates right here. So this theme is already paid and activated, as you can see right here, activated, right? So if you need access to it, you can just contact me and I will just send it to you. So you click on continue. I just choose that one. It looks well designed, right? So we did not install this one, so we can install them here while on the importation process. So remove watermark. Okay, you still click on skip, then import content. So we are importing the content of the site. So I don't how we actually fast forward this in the video if I will, but on this point we just gotta wait until all of the content medias have been imported. So our files are being installing, so you can grab a glass of water or juice or a beer, anyone that you are you're fond of, then just ensure you get yourself relaxed while the importation goes on. So congratulations, we have our importation is successful. Okay, so we can actually preview the site and see what we actually imported. So let's see the beautifully design we choose. Let's see if it's worth being chosen. Okay, slow sleek. Okay, wow, I love the design. This is really creative. Really creative. Really creative. Okay, there are not many. That is why. Okay. 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 Wow, the footer is nice. So what we're gonna do right now is we let's preview. This should be the demo of the preview of the site, of the theme rather. It also have live chat, so you can chat with your customer online. It's really slick. So what we're gonna do right now is, first of all, let's preview our main site. Let's see how it is, if there's any decrement or increment, or it's the same. Okay, it looks the same. It looks the same. There is no decrement. It looks the same. So what I'm saying right here is the pictures. The pictures are naturally as it is. I guess they are watermarked. So I'm going to show you how you can actually remove those watermarks. So we're just going to change the images with the original image, right? So let's come to the, as you can see, this is the original one, right? I can just right click on the image, then I can just open a new tab right here, and from the new tab I right click, I click on save as, then I can just go ahead and save. So I can do that, and I'll come back right here. I'm going to click on, this is my site. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I'll just click on the image, and I'll click on the image to choose new image. I'm going to click on upload, and I'll select file. Then I double click on it. So I'm going to select that. So my image has changed, right? So I'm going to update. So it has been updated on my main site also. So I'm going to scroll down. This one also is watermarked, so I need to change this image. So I'm going to click on upload. Then I'll go back to the main. I'll go back to the main site. I'll scroll down and right click on this image, open in a new tab. Then I'm going to download the image right here. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to select that file which I just downloaded. Then I come right here and I'm going to select it. So that's how you're going to do it for all images on your front end on all pages, on your front end on all pages. So as you can see, then you go ahead, you can change the text right here. Okay, so we can change the text right here. So we are equally excited about corporate bank. Corporate bank. It makes sense. Okay. Alright, so let's update this. So you can go ahead also and change this one. Our mission is to provide quality English. So we can go ahead and change the description. This should be description. So instead of English language, you can say quality banking website project. Quality banking website project through a variety of courses and international and local. Okay, so that looks nice. So we can go ahead and update that. Then I can say on this one also I can edit this. So the title, then the secondary text, let's say secondary text, so best business. So I can say best banking. Let's use best banking business. So that's looking awful. So we say best business. Okay. So you can change it. You can change it to anything you know is appropriate for you. So it's just changeable. You remove it. Anyone. So this button here, I can change this button to, instead of lemon, I can say, I can change it to get an account now. Get an account now. Get an account now. As you can see, then I can go ahead and update this. So those are how you can change all of everything. You can change everything that exists. Everything is formatable, everything is editable, everything is replaceable, everything is even removable. Any session you want to remove, maybe this is our theme, I don't have any theme, or I have a theme, I can just go ahead and remove it. Ctrl Z to return it. Okay, so that's how you develop your front end. Then I can say get it. I can go ahead and exit. So I'm gonna apply, and then I can leave. There's a new update too. Maybe I didn't update it. Maybe I did. So I'm going to click on next, next. Just cancel it. I'll click back right here. So I'm going to visit my site. Okay, so we good. So how can I change my logo right here? So for me to change my logo, I need to create a logo, right? I will create a logo. So you can use Canva, you can use any means of logo. For me, I just click on customize. I have a logo already. I'm just gonna use that logo. Alright, so where are we? I actually want to attend to something. Okay. So so now let's start on developing our main bank functionality. So what we just did was we just developed the front end to our site using WordPress. So we're going to be using a PHP script for our backend in my SQL. So we are trying to change logo. Now I remembered. So you just come down right here and you come to site identity. Then you're gonna see, okay, we're out. So you click on site identity. Then you're gonna just click on logo, or you remove or you change anyone. So you click on upload file. Then you're gonna choose where you want to upload your file from. So assuming that's my logo. Then I'm gonna click on select. So if you want to create a logo, create a lengthwise logo. This is a lengthwise. Let me show you the lengthwise. This is a lengthwise logo. Create a lengthwise logo. I'm only using this because I feel like this is what I should use. So this is just for educational purpose. For those of us that we are students, we need project file. We block this for, you see, this is not a proper logo. So let me remove this logo and let me put another logo. So let me just do it like that. Okay. Let's just publish that so that we'll have new. I want to have new updated. So the network is looking slowly. I guess those part of fast for them. I don't know if it's network or is the browser processor. Okay, so just come right here to the logo. Then you select the logo that you want. You click on select. So it's prompting for crop. So I can go ahead and make it lengthwise. Lengthwise is best for logo. It fits in. So let's see what this one is going to bring out. You see? So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so just make a better logo. I just use that for the sake of, I don't know, I've been having video issues with my bosses. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this, so I'm done changing my logo. So I don't know if there's footer logo. So go ahead and let's see if there's footer logo. Okay, there's no footer logo. Okay, good. So next we're going to do is let's start developing our main banking functionality. So let's head back to WordPress and let's click on CP, which is cPanel. So we've already created. Next we're going to do is we're going to click on File Manager, File, then we're going to File Manager. Then we're going to select the subdomain we created. For you, if you are doing this for the first time, you're going to be working in your public_html. This is public_html. There's a project right there, so I'm not going to do anything in it. So you work in your public_html. So why this all this WordPress content already here? You just go ahead and click on folder, and you click on new folder. So I'm going to name this en. I'm going to click on create new. Then I'm going to enter into the en folder, and I'm going to click on upload. So I want to upload the banking script. So if you need access to these resources, just reach out to me and you're going to get it real quick. So from where you have it, you just upload it. As you can see, it's 91 megabytes to show how big the file is. It's really functional. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah, somebody. So that's become green. So next you're gonna do is you're gonna click on it, then right click, then click on extract. I'll click on extract right there. And you can close it and we reload. If it did not prompt it up for you, you're gonna enter that folder. You click on your settings, ensure you are checked on show hidden files, then you save it so you can view the dot files. So I'm going to select all. I'm going to click on move. I'm going to move it out of the Imperial Premium. Then I'll click up one level. Okay, so I can go ahead and delete this folder if I wish. Right. Then I'm going to enter into account, scripts. Then I'm going to edit. Right click to edit. So I'm going to configure my database, the connect.php. I'm editing it, which is my database. So now I need to change this database credentials to my own. So how am I going to get or create my? So I'll come back. I'll come right here to my tools, and in my cPanel I'm going to click on data. Then I'll click on database wizard. Then I will just put this, let me say painstack, right? Then again painstack. Then I just put any password that I know very well that I'll not forget. Then I'll come back right here again. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna check on for all privileges, and I'll scroll down and click on next step. So my database is created. I'm just gonna copy for the user. Just be on it and double tap. It will highlight that text block. Then Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go to my connect.php. I'm gonna edit it for this and for this also, because I use the same name for my data and my user. Look at it right here, confirmation. Look at my user is this, then png stack, right? So let's go back to our connect.php right here. Then I'm going to change the password to the password that is mine. Okay, so I'm going to click on save changes. So while that changes is saved, I can go ahead and quit that. Then I'll come back to this subdomain I created, and I'll enter my em folder. Then this file, the my.sql structure query language, I'm going to double tap on it to download it. So while it's being downloaded, I'm going to come back right here to my C panel. I'm going to click on PHP. Then I'll select PHP admin. Then I'm going to choose the database that I created for the purpose of this project. Then I'm going to click on import button right there. I'm going to choose my SQL file. Then this is my SQL file right there, and I just scroll down and click on import. So that has been imported. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on user. The first one is the admin user, so I'm going to re-encrypt my password. So I don't know what password was encrypted here, but I'm going to click the MD5 encryption. Then I'm going to change the password right there, and I'm going to put the one that I know. So this is the admin password, the admin Gmail. I can just copy it. Then I'll scroll down. So you see the admin have a lot of privileges and a lot of permission. So I'll click on go. So my admin password has been changed to what I know. Then I'm just gonna go back to my file managers. I'll click on my subdomain again. I'll click on em folder, and I'll click on account. I'll click on move. I'll move it out from em folder, and I'm gonna click on move file. So the rest folder are useless to me. I can just click one more level. So the em folder, now I'm gonna delete the em folder. So the em folder has been deleted. So I'm going to browse my site/account. So I want to enter into this account folder. So my site/account. So this is going to be the user login, and if I want to log into my admin, so account/admin/login. So this is my admin. So I'm going to paste, that's my admin email. It is admin at gmail.com, and my password is the password that I enter. So I'm going to click on login. So once we find this error, so the next thing I'm going to do, if we ever see this error, is to come back right here to our C panel. Then we're going to click on select PHP version. Then we're going to select PHP version 7.4. Then we're going to click on apply. So while that is applied, you can just go back right here and reload. You can see you are logged in successfully now. So you'll be redirected to the admin. So next thing we want to do is, as the admin now, we want to configure our email, change our logo, What else again? And start using the site. So we'll come to email and SMS configuration. So we need to change this our email SMTP configuration to as. So you come to cPanel right here, you click on tools, you click on email. So email account. So because you are getting this for the first time, you're not going to see anything here. You just click on create, then you create anyone. So I'm going to create so I can just create, you can just create admin. You enter your password, you submit, you come back again, you create info, you enter your password, you submit again, you can go again, create support, you do the same thing, you create no reply, so this one I'll create no reply. Then you come, you enter the password that you know, and you click on create. So that has been created. So that is how you create your email. So once you've created that, now you need to configure your database. I say database, your email. So on this part here, so what's the email you created? You come back right to the email. So you created no reply, so you can just copy the no reply. Are you getting it? You can just copy the no reply, and you come to the username, then you substitute it to your own, then you copy this domain. Then you copy only the domain. Easy to replace, only this domain. You leave the mail dot, then the password also you're going to change it to the one that you know. Then your display name, so mine will be things banking script. Okay, so our email has been configured. So next thing we want to do is our logo. So now we need to change our logo also. So we're going to choose file of your logo. So what my logo is going to look like, I can change it to something like this and upload. So if you reload, it did not change. You're just going to click on Ctrl F5. So you see it has changed. And then you come also to this one. You click on update. So that one has changed. Also you do same thing for this one. You update. So you do also for this one. So you just choose your favicon, anything that is your own. Then you update, Ctrl F5. So that's what it's going to show. This picture is what's going to show at the top of my site. You can see it has changed. So that's it. So what next again? So if we leave here, so we need to from our front end, we should be able to access here, right? So just this ordinary account, we can copy it, Ctrl C to copy. Then we go to our front end. So we need to create a menu for accounts. So come right here and click on menus, and we scroll down. We're going to create a custom link. So on the link, we're going to paste our link, and we're going to call this, or let's just create a void, which is hash. Then we'll call it account. So it's not clickable, so we're going to add it. Then let's paste one and call this one login. Then let's change one, create account. Then let's add. So the login is going to be sub menu to account, and the create account is going to be sub menu to account also. So we can go ahead, this for primary, also for footer navigation. Then we're going to save changes. Then we're going to save this menu. So let's visit our site now. Okay, so as you can see, so if we come to account, we have login, create account. So if I click on login, it takes me to my login page. You can see, so if I click on this logo, it's supposed to take me back to my front end. So we need to change this logo link, so it's inside the accounts folder. So we're gonna go back to here, and we want to enter inside account folder. Then we're going to look for the index file. So click on edit. Then we're looking for logo consignment. So Ctrl F to find. Then we'll click on logo. So skip. Yes, this is the logo section. So look at this, the link. So on the link, so if we go back, our ordinary.com is our main home page. So we're going to copy the ordinary.com and come and replace this, the index logo of the accounts folder, with our main home page. So click on save changes. Okay, so that has been saved. So let me go back. Let me click on login. And let me click on go back. So you see it has worked. It has worked. So that's the first one. So what else? Okay, so next we're going to do is let's create account as a user. Okay, so let's enter the code. So we need to create an account. I accept. Okay, before we finish creating an account, Let's quickly do something. Let's go back to our admin. Did they cancel our admin page? We did. Let's say /admin/login. We need to change our base URL. So when we are verifying our account, admin@gmail.com, right? And our password is the one we entered. So our base URL is /account. So we're going to copy this /account. So come to general settings. So we need to change our base URL to this. Then we change our site also. So we can change this to PNGS. Then we can put anyone there. Okay. So let's update. So that has been updated. So let's go ahead and continue with our registration. So just enter anything. So you just choose. So you can create this project for a checking account, for a savings account, for a fixed deposit account, for a current account, for a cryptocurrency account, for a business account, for a non-resident account, corporate business account, investment account. So let me just say this for a savings account. So I'll just enter any reasonable thing. Then you just choose photo. You can go ahead and choose this photo. So what else did you not fill? So let's click on submit. So congratulations, your account have been successfully registered. A confirmation mail will be sent to you, this and that and it. So let's go and check our mail if we indeed get an email. Okay, we actually did. We got our mail. So let's confirm email. So account registration completed. So I can go back home. So I can enter 965840. So I can now log in. So what am I going to log in with? Before I can be able to log in, the admin need to verify my account. So let's come to create a user account. So this is the account. So I can say approve account. So that account has been activated. I can also add funds to the account. I can just say I want to add 570. Purpose testing. Frequency, let's say 5 transaction of it. You want to send mail, yes. You just click continue. So I can go ahead and confirm the transaction. So all of this is just testing. It's just a project, a PHP script for such functionality, but it's not real. It's just demo. Everything you are seeing right here is just demo. It's only for tutorial and educational purpose on how people can create a prototype as this and use it to apply as a developer, or as someone who can also be a user. Okay, so we need to, this is the account number of that guy, or you can come to his mail and copy his account number. So this is his account number. Then you can go ahead and log in. This place that show home. Welcome to PNC online banking script. You can change this home, is not necessary, but you can remove it. It's that index page that will open that time. So let me type on home when we change the logo link. So let me type on that home that you showed. Okay. So let's enter the account number. Let's enter our password. I say hello, welcome to this the internet banking. So as you can see, we have the credit of all of this. So this is the overview of it. So this project is nice. So if you need access and resource to this project, you can just contact me and you will have it on a fast dial. So this project can be used for loan management, can be used for bills payment management, payroll, normal microfinance, bank. Yes. So these are all of what the user can do. So let's assume this user wants to transfer. So this project has up to 5 transfer coding. So let's assume we want to transfer 500. Continue to next step. So it's going to choose the bank that I want. So we're going to type the name. So let me say PNGS tech 7. So bank sort code, let me just enter any value. Account number, let me paste that account number. Account holder, let me say pins tech. Description, testing. So continue to next step. So I want to send the amount to bank name Pinkstech7, which is my YouTube channel. But so that's how it's just gonna be, just for testing purposes. The tutorial it does not exist, not real. So every disclaimer on anything that looks like no, only educational purpose. Those university students and people that want to add project to their catalog for proposal of contract jobs and employment, you can just get to have this kind of projects and you put it to your catalog. So it's just for catalogs. So let's click on continue. So we are processing transaction. So we need IMF. So this user need IMF. So how is going to get his IMF? So let's come to the admin. So from the admin, this is this user. So let's click on to view details. Let's see security settings. No, that is to update his password. Okay, this is the IMF code. So this is IMF. So I can copy his IMF and I will just send it to him. This is IMF, right? I can just send mail. So to who? To this guy. Account credential. So I can call this IMF. And I'm going to paste it. So send email. So mail sent successfully. So same thing I'm going to do for the cut code and the likes. So I can then the user can come to his mail here and see this. So this is IMF. You will just copy his IMF and go and continue initiating his transfer. So once you get here, you will just paste his IMF code. Then you verify IMF. So IMF supplied. So let's see what will be the next. So the next one is cut code. So same thing the admin can also do for the user. So for cut code too, the admin will just copy the cut code once the user has opened ticket. You understand? Maybe the user has opened ticket that I need IMF code to initiate transfer. So this will be cut. So just to maintain this is how you're going to explain it to maintain professionality. So this project works extremely nice. So we need to enter OTP. So these are the transaction alert that we got. So now we'll be waiting for OTP. So OTP is going to be what we'll be waiting for now. So what other things can we do? We can do bills payments and many more. One can check deposits. Oh, I shouldn't have clicked. Should open it in a new tab. So amount, let me just say 500. So you just take front of the front and the back, and you click on submit. So this is highly functional, very functional. So that's been deposited. Okay, mobile check deposit. So we're still here to see our OTP. Okay. Okay, so we just got our OTP, and as you can see, our transaction has been successfully done. So we can go ahead and screenshot this page. So there's screenshot extension that you can use. So if you need it, you can also let me know. So let's view. So this will be our receipt. Okay, so our transaction was successful. So we have cross-border transfer. So select recipient. So you need to add recipient. I getting it. Then you come back to send money. Then you choose recipient and you follow the prompt. We have check deposit, which we've done. Let's see the check deposit again. So you write all the name you want to write on the check, and you do the deposit. Then pay bills. So under pay bills, you can add a payee. So payee name, I can say MTN. Let me say my phone number is 090 685 9074. Then I can just put any address, nickname, PNG stack. Add this to your favorites. Then I'll click on continue. I'll click on submit. So I can go ahead, go back home to my payee, to my pay bills. Let me just go back home to my pay bills so you can see. So we have pending completed. Then let's come back here to pay bills again. So I can add another payee again. I can say this one should be NEPA. So my meter number, address, nickname, so if you now come to pay bills here, so you can add, just like payroll, you can add all your payee to your payroll. So you can use this project for payroll system. So now you cannot choose the payee. So you can see I want to pay to MTN. Delivery date, let me say by tomorrow. I want the amount of, I want 100 USD to be sent to my number. Memo, recharge credit, recharge call credit. Then I'll click on continue. So continue with this payment. I using that to, so OTP will be sent. So let's go and get our OTP. So just add the okay. So we're waiting for OTP. Like the other time we had to wait very long. So we don't know how long we're going to wait. So that's how you make bill payments. Are you getting it? So this process are very slick. So visual card, you can apply for visual card. So let's see how we're gonna do that. So request for a new virtual card. So those are what are security question. When did you finish high school? 2014. Preferred card, I want a MasterCard. I accept. Apply. So I have applied. What's next thing I can do? Cryptocurrency. So I can manage assets, deposit crypto, fiat withdraw. So I can change this button to where I can sell crypto, or where I can buy crypto. I can change that button right there. So I can go ahead here and deposit crypto. So I want to deposit crypto as a user. So what crypto do I want to deposit? Let me say Bitcoin. I want to deposit 110 worth of BTC. So I'll copy the wallet address and make my deposit. I come here, I can see the wallet that I deposited to, and I'll confirm transaction. So I'm going to show you from the admin how you can actually change the wallet address to be deposited to. So as you can see, Bitcoin pending. Alright, so let's see next you can do KYC. You can do KYC. So click here to complete your KYC. As you can see that any of that, then choose file. You can choose this one as front, choose this one as my back. I have, and I click on submit. So at this point I have submitted my KYC. I'll click on OK. Loan and financing. Okay, so let me come to loan and financing. So this project works awesomely great. This project is also fantastic and sleek. So if you need access to these resources, just ensure you contact me and you're gonna get it. So I want to loan, let me say I want to loan 1,000. I want to use for operational vehicle. I want to pay it for 12 months. Transportation, let me say transportation, right? I agree everything, then kindly note all of this, then I'll request loan. So my request submitted. So what other function? We can link external card. So name on card, you just put the name on card. Let me say Gerard Prosper. So you just put in. So this one is demo content, month. Let me say year, 2027 CSV. Then link card. So one can link their card to the account. So that's it. So that's all what the user can do. That's what the user can do. So the transfer restriction can be up to 5. That is coding: IMF, cut code, tank code, pin code, tax code, TIN code, even up to OTP. So let's check our mailbox. Okay, B payment confirmation, KYC loan request. sure you see this code. What time did this one arrive? 24 minutes ago. So it's long time. 16 minutes ago. So we're expecting another OTP code. I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so let's proceed with, where are we? Okay, this one that we are on, what are we doing? Bill confirmation. Okay, bill confirmation, I saw. Okay, bill confirmation, this is the code. 8540 8540 8540 8540. This was the code. So you'll be directed shortly. So that's great. So let's, from the admin, see what the users have been doing, and let's respond to the users. So we have loan and credit team, loan request. So Gerard Prosper, so I can go ahead and approve that. He also did KYC, so I can go ahead to KYC application. As you can see, Gerard Prosper, so you can view it. Okay, look at it. If you click on it, you're gonna see it. So that this project is so slick, everything is so easy, so you can go ahead and approve it. We also did bill payment. So let's see for the bill payment pending. First of all, let's view it. View details. Payee MTN, amount 100 naira. So let's click on going back. So just approve it. So that place to write MTN. Let's go to bills payment. This is admin abi. Let's go to user. There's something I discovered. Let's come to bill payment, where we put the phone number. So I can say airtime, 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 and put my number once from here. Let's run another payment. Let's see how we can actually edit this to looks very okay. So if we go back to pay bills, so from this account, okay, you can see it. Airtime for that, delivery date, I want it today, amount 100, memo, instantly. Now click on proceed. continue with this payment. So airtime, I can even put airtime empty and put the number. Are you getting it? So you can just be very initiative. Everything is all about being initiative. So bills payment confirmation code again, 8131 8131 8131. So let's verify the OTP. So our bill, that bill has been paid. So if I come right here to bill payment, let me see what I got here. You can see it's payee, airtime, and the phone number. So I can just go ahead and approve this transaction. You see it? So it makes more sense now. So you can use this for bill payment, right? This project is so functional. So at this point, let's see what the admin also had to do for this user. So they can open support. User can open support. Admin also can open support. If I click on support here, and it has language switch. So custom all department, I can say account department, account. Then I submit. So from the account department, I can come here and view. So account, then I can reply and say account resolved. Then I'll send. So the user also can view reply. Are you getting it? The user also can view reply. You can see account resolved, customer care, thanks. So you can, this project is so awesome. So awesome. So from the admin, let's see, I guess this guy actually took a loan. Have we managed the loan? Okay, we have approved the loan. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, like and share. And if you need access to these resources also, you can contact me and all will be given to you ASAP. So all this information on the dashboard also can be changed. So if you need tutorial on how you can do that, you can also contact me. For the sake of the content limits the video should attain, I'm going to leave that for another class. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.